What is going on, everybody? We are back with another cooking video, and we are making some very creamy, extra cheesy mac and cheesy. So first we're going to start with some heavy whipping cream. This is going to be our base to heat up for the creamy cheese. It's not our normal style that we normally do, but this one's going to be magically delicious. Alright, I'm over here dropping stuff, guys. And we're going to add this cheese in to help melt it down. Just a sharp. The more the merrier, I always say. And we're going to add some Kobe Jack in there as well. Just to get our cream sauce going on here. Alright, then you can doctor it up with some salt, pepper, whatever you want in there. Alright guys, we'll be back with the mixing. Check that out, guys. Look at this cheese action. Oh my goodness. That's gonna be delicious. Alright guys, we're using our swirly noodles. Alright guys, now it's time to add that liquid goodness. Alright, we're going to stir this up and we'll be right back. Guys, we made it simple, just salt and pepper. You guys can season to your liking, and you guys can add, you guys can turn this into like a taco mac and cheese by adding beef or whatever you guys want to add into it, chicken, everything. Whew. But we are going to top this off with our Ritz crackers, guys, because we love our salted crackers. And then we're going to put it in the oven to bake down for a little bit. Be right. Alright, we're adding the Ritz crackers. And we'll repeat the process till we cover the whole top. Alright guys, check it out. It's almost time to go in the oven. But we're going to add some Kobe Jack cheese on top. To get hold some of them crackers together so it doesn't just kind of fall apart all messy like. Cheese, we will do it next time the way I do it. We were just trying something different here. Alright guys, we're here with the finished product. We're going to get ourselves some scoop action. Let's hope it looks good. We gotta look professional here. Oh, you doggy. Guys, if that don't look cheesy, I don't know what does. Alright, give it a try. Is it good? Is it nasty? Is it in the middle? You like it?
It's good.
Yeah.
Very cheesy.
For shizzle. Look at that cheese action. Oh yeah, we got some thumbnail action right there, boys. Yeah. Alright, Miss Kaylee May wants some. Ooh, girlfriend, is that good? What do you think? It's good? Alright.